Yo.
I wasn't afraid of anything. But then at a certain moment, it changed. I started to think that I wanted to survive.
Okay, wow, it's really raining. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay.
That's insane. You think so? Why don't you come with me?
Okay, so what am I thinking? So I've ran a lot of deep research on trying to figure out essentially what to look at and which are the coins that we're going to play. I'm very new to crypto. Well, in terms of like the understanding the market side, I'm not. I understand conceptually why it exists and the type of returns, but actually each coin I don't really understand. So I'm doing some research to be able to know how to allocate for the bull run that's coming. So that's what I'm gonna do. I run a couple prompts for ChatGPT. The thing is that I don't know how good it is yet. That's what I'm trying to figure out, how good it actually is. Yeah. Um, so there's different phases from what I'm starting to understand. But really, just rotating so much is just so much work. But more than that, then the more you rotate, the more risk you take on. So I don't really want to do that too much. I just kind of want to get the core allocations and just leave it. That's kind of what I want to do. Deep research number 1. This is deep research number 2. So basically, we're gonna go coin by coin and look at the best fundamental ones, and then adjust our risk profile depending on, you know, how much risk we want to take and what point of the cycle we're in. It appears to me that we're in early phase 1, so going into phase 2. So we're going to start seeing some rotation from large caps into larger, into some other coins like Sol or ETH, from Bitcoin. So it's kind of what's going on. We really need to see Bitcoin dominance fall off the charts here for all points to start. So we're still quite a ways away. Alright, so let's keep going. Research completed in 2 hours. Holy. Alright, so we got our PDF here. catalyst, near-term drivers, liquidity, flow potential, developer momentum, social media velocity, and risk. Okay, risk, regulatory execution, scored inversely, high, less equals higher equals safer. Okay. Cool. So I think we can look at the total scores. I think Ethereum. I think there's a pretty good chart to post online. I'll go into that. So, okay. So RWAs are apparently really strong. And L2s. I mean, because I think I've seen this. I think I saw it in the other deep research as well. The other deep research paper, that it was really strong. I think this one said it too. Yeah, layer 2 scaling appears to be really big. Arbitrum. So, but Arbitrum doesn't seem to be doing too good. Arbitrum market cap. Well, it just came on the market. That's so volatile. Okay. Deepin infrastructure. Okay. Oh, there's so much. Okay. I was reading through it though. It was pretty interesting. Okay, so we rank layer 2 scaling and RWA tokenization as top themes. Strong fundamentals, high dev activity, institutional. Okay, so the highest ones are going to be okay, so and most most highest promise narratives. Okay. So we have I think this chart is also useful. So I'm gonna paste it. Here. Let's see if I can draw. Let's see. Edit. Help. Well, how can I not edit this? Alright, anyways, what? I can't even move this? Okay, here we can see number 1, number 2. Also highly ranked. AI compute. So mean is pretty high. I don't know why privacy is so low. It's I don't know. DeFi 2.5, liquid restaking, omni-chain, Bitcoin staking, DePIN. Alright, well, we'll leave it there for now. I'm going to keep reading what this says. In liquid staking, Lido secures 9.1 billion ETH, that's a lot, while Rocket pulls 3. Okay, one thing I want to check on first is simply in CoinGecko, go to the cryptocurrencies and get familiarized with the large names. They have the categories here. Shut up. Shut up. I don't care. Let me go. Let me on. Okay.
That's insane. You think so?
All right. So, smart contract platform. These are pretty good. This is one that I've heard. Layer one's proof of work. I have no idea what that is. Proof of stake. Heard too. Alleged stable coins. Fiat-backed stablecoin exchange, DeFi. Let's see. Meme. Yeah, check this one. Check meme. Liquid staking. RWA is important. Dog themed, 4chan themed, liquid stake ETH. Made in China. Dex. Elon Musk inspired. Oh, this girl has to be going crazy, actually. Well, that's about it. Let's see, the Elon Musk inspired one. That's funny. Annie Rock Companion. 2.2 million. That's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Alright, so we're gonna go to the I'm gonna go back to the cryptos. Pump Fund, Pudgy Penguins, Ton, Ethereum, Sui. Sui's doing crazy actually, which is interesting. Because Raul is the one that has that coin. I mean, the one that really promotes that coin. So I vote.
You know what I'm saying, Tom?
Heck yeah. Okay. What? Wow. rotation, dry powder. High fees and throughput limits have made layer 2 scaling a top narrative solution like optimism rollups, Arbitrum, optimism, and zero knowledge rollups start are seeing explosive growth. These networks execution an off-chain and post proofs to Ethereum boosting speed and cost module blockchain. Okay. So I'm seeing a lot of Arbitrum. Seeing a lot of Arbitrum, optimism. RWAs. RWAs. Link. I like Link. Let's see. I think artificial intelligence is also crazy. I think I'm gonna skip liquid staking derivatives. Liquid staking derivatives. That's ranked 6th. So I think I'm gonna skip liquid staking derivatives. I like AI and compute more, actually. And the other one that I like is Deepin. Deepin I like. Deepin I like. And privacy I like as well. I like those two. We're gonna see if the data matches up. If not, well, I won't do it. Fido. This is for. No, this is all we want. This is what hopefully it's gonna do really good. I mean, yeah, try to find something more hyped than AI, and that's what sentiment's gonna look like. We'll start flooding in. Render is there. Render is there. Fetch, fet is there too? Fet is there too? The render is really good. Filecoin is right. I really like Filecoin too. Storage has to be important. This is under Deepin. Nvidia's just going nuts. It's the thing, do you invest in the largest company in the world that just jumped 4%, or you go for one of these smaller coins? You know, gaming, I think gaming does have its place, but yeah. I don't really want to touch that. Some non-scam tokens. Alright, so here they are. Here are the lists that we have to go and research now. So it's Arbitrum, one of the highest L2 adoption with 12 billion TVL secured on chain and regularly over 1 million daily transactions. Okay. Its Nitro upgrade in 2023 cut fees significantly, drawing even more DeFi activity. Off-chain developed by Off-Chain Labs, team at Princeton Researchers, which raised 120 million and partnered with Reddit for community points. There are token launched in 2023, governing a thriving ecosystem. And that's Optimism, growing after the Bedrock update and Coinbase chain adoption. Optimism's daily transactions are usually jumped 2x in the past year. Off-chain backed by A16Z and Paradigm raised 175 million. Okay. Polygon is one I've heard a lot. I think it's also interesting to look at. A sidechain evolving into L2, Polygon secures 1.2 billion TVL across its points of sale chain and new, I don't know what that is. It has inked huge partnerships, Disney, Starbucks, what? Becoming the go-to platform for brands entering Web3. What? What's that? What is that? That's interesting. Alright. Starknet on-chain, a leading ZK rollup with 55 million TVL short after token launch, and a growing user base linked to its Cairo native dApps. I have no idea what that is. High theoretical throughput off-chain development Starkware, which is valued at 8 billion. Oh, Sequoia is backing it, okay. Underpins DYDX and then I have no idea what that is. RWA, MakerDAO, okay, alright, that's a lot. 2.44 billion is a lot. That may be a coin that we have to look at. So, MKR. We have Link. $2.2 billion. Wow, so it quadrupled in a year. The amount of assets under management. That's significant. That's very significant. Especially when it's that much money. Link. Link is very useful. I've heard of Centrifuge and Ondo, so CFG. Ondo Finance issues tokenized funds. Tokenized short-term U.S. treasuries, which show rapid uptake by stablecoin treasuries and decentralized autonomous organizations. Combined tokenized T-bill value via Ondo and partnership All-time high of 5.6 billion. Okay. Alright. You have liquid staking. I don't understand what that is. For me, that's weird. So okay, so this is what I'm interested in as well. Artificial intelligence. Fetch. Handles agent-based transactions. Daily active addresses on Fed jumped 30% to 1 during news and major updates. Meanwhile, means increasing agent activity could drive value to Fed off-chain. Okay. A render seems better, actually. So. A decentralized GPU rendering network originally on Ethereum, now migrating to Solana. This is really interesting. This is really interesting. Now, these are the ones that jump out as being like, wow, like that's really good. Usage is climbing as AI image video generating booms until it render completed an average of 50,000 frames per month. Wow, holy shit. Holy smokes. This just does not seem appealing at all. Axie Infinity has a ticker. Wow, yeah, it does. You got time when you start playing the game, I guess. Yeah, I'm not interested. Not interested. This is interesting. IMX. Go. That just seems so bad. I think it's an interesting diversification play, but I'd rather just stick to more. Oh yeah, is that file coin again? Phil. Runner just seems like the shit. Okay. Helium. HNT.